In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an activity diagram in Visual Paradigm. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top here, click on Diagram, and then you want to go to New over here on the left. And from here, you want to look for Activity Diagram. Okay, it's over here. You can just click on it and press on Next. And then from here, you have two options. You could either start from scratch, or you could use any of these templates, which are completely customizable, to actually create your own that way. Okay, now an activity diagram shows the flow of activities or steps in the process. Okay, so we can just go and select any of these. For example, if I go planning in a show, or like planning a show, I'm gonna click here, press Next, and then of course you can name it, you can add a description if you wanna. I'm just gonna skip this, press Next, and it's going to give me this template which I can customize. I can go and of course change things, move them around. I could rename things. I could go and add on different actions, activity. So there's a bunch of different things you could do here really and create your own one that way with the help of these templates. Okay, that's the first way. The second one is you could go to diagram again, click on new, and then you can click on activity again, and this time we're going to select blank and just skip through this. And inside the blank you can actually use AI to help you generate your diagram. So click on generate, and then here the topic, you have to just type in the topic. Of course you can go into more detail. I'm just going to type in online shopping process, and I'm going to press OK. And it's going to actually generate this with AI. So usually it's very quick, just takes like less than half a minute, a few seconds. There we go. And as you can see, we have our online shopping process directly in here. Of course, this is going to be quite complex. In my case, you could go and move it around. You can change things. Again, it's the same as a template. You could add on different stuff like this. You could add actions, activity. You can add input pins. There's a bunch of different things you could do, okay? So of course you can customize it, and then whenever you're ready, you have yourself your activity diagram. However, if you decided to start from scratch, no AI, no templates, you could go and just start dragging things on here from the left. And of course, you have activities, actions, you have your initial nodes, and then here you have like different expansion regions. There's a bunch of things, and you could go and then just connect these using these lines over here. And that way you can create your own unique diagram. Of course, you could use like maybe some ideas from the web. You could use maybe some AI chatbots to help you kind of with the ideation of what you can create. But essentially, this is how you make your own. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.